Someone sent me her story here. Allow me to read it loud. Yes. Hello, Gloria. My name is Faith. I'm 20 years old, single mom. I got involved with a married man when I was still in high school. By then, I was 17 years old. This man gave me everything and showed me so much love. He told me his wife had fistula and she smelled all the time and he didn't like her at all. He said he had spent so much time without touching her and now he needed to find another wife. I didn't understand by then that fistula is one of the effects of childbirth. I used to laugh at her all the time and mocked her every chance I got since the husband told me everything about her. I also told my classmates to justify why I am involved with a married man. After some time, I got pregnant with this married man, and he told me to drop out of school, that he would take good care of me. My family was so mad about this whole thing, and even worse, getting pregnant at a very early age. As the pregnancy went on, I got very bad effects of pregnancy. Pregnancy made me so fat and to have a bad skin. This married man started telling me I had become ugly. This married man left me and started cheating on me with another girl. This hurt me so very bad. When I asked him to give me money to deliver our child, he only gave me 150,000 shillings. Life became so hard as hell. I cried every day and night. And when time for giving back came, surprisingly, I gave birth to a very heavy, fat, and left me with severe tears. At the end of it all, I also ended up getting fistula as a result of childbirth. As I speak right now, I find it so hard to enjoy sex, and I don't even crave it. I feel so bad that I feel I'm being punished for mocking the other woman and causing her so much pain and breaking up her marriage.